So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about India Mart share. So about this particular stock, we have discussed in many videos. So whenever we discussed about this particular stock, we discussed only about the accumulation, but not to do any sort of selling. So when we discuss the fundamentals of the company, so clearly we discussed each and every point. So if you have not watched the video, definitely you can watch that. So we have discussed this particular stock when it used to trade near the 2000 rupees level. So from where we started updating the level, almost in the past two videos I updated the levels and our targets were 5000 plus. So today, even though the market was in little bit of flat mode, this particular stock has given almost 5% downfall. So what to do if you're invested at high levels and if you're invested at low levels as well? So what will be the next set of targets? So we'll discuss that. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So if you see the today's activity of India Mart, so you can see the deliverable quantity is almost 69,100, and if you compare with the traded quantity, which is almost 1,47,000, so deliverable quantity is almost 49.2%. So we'll compare the deliverable percentage that we'll see in the volume analysis. We'll try to see whether the percentage is increasing or decreasing with respect to the market. So if you see yesterday's deliverable quantity, so that is on September 28th. So if you see how much deliverable quantity was present, 39.2%. So clearly you can see it is less as compared to the weekly as well as monthly average. So if you see today's deliverable quantity, so that is 49%. So clearly it is more as compared to all the previous percentages. So accumulation is happening. So I also suggested that if any downfall is seen, especially in fundamentally strong stocks, definitely even 5% downfall is there, definitely you can add at least one share. Okay, at least one share. So when your heavy fall is present, more than 5%, around 5%, so not for 1%, 2%, so don't do average for that. When heavy downfall is seen, so that time it's an opportunity for us to add best quality stocks for long term. Okay, when we see what the indicators are suggesting, so earlier also when we discussed about the indicators, so money flow index is one such indicator. So whenever it reaches the overbought region, some sort of correction happens, and whenever it goes to the oversold region, again reversal happens. So this is the basic concept that we discuss in each and every video. So currently it's near 59.5, so completely in mid range. Okay, so 70 above is overbought. So similarly RSI, so what you can see, RSI is in that we can say overbought region. So that's why the strength of the stock today was also little bit of weak. So whenever this particular stock shows the correction, so immediately in the next few days again it shows the recovery, because the demand of that is huge. Okay, so we know that future wise online business, e-commerce, so whatever we discussed, so it will definitely benefit. So currently even this COVID pandemic, so the results of this particular company will start improving, which also will boost the share price in the coming sessions. So if we see today's technical, so if we see today's price, you can see currently it's near 5097. So almost we can say 4.37% downfall was seen. So if you see chart pattern, so you can see continuous uptrend was seen. So this was the first level when we have discussed about this particular stock. So that is 2015 rupees. So we discussed this was the one support, and next one was the target, that is 2560. That is a resistance that we have discussed. So it has given breakout from that, and huge rally was seen in the stock. So we need to buy the stocks at the best level. So that is what we have discussed. So buying aggressively at high levels also will cause you loss, because always you need to have patience for long-term investment. So greed should be neglected. So intraday as well as long-term, you should not do any sort of linking. So I've seen many people, they buy for long-term, again they feel like selling the next day also. Why to do that sort of selling? So when you have fixed your mindset for long term, then you need to hold for a certain period of time, and then only you need to book your profits when you have trust in the company. So this particular company is trustworthy, and definitely you will see new highs in the company. Okay, so currently you can see it is in little bit of correction mode. So after the 5500 level, so which has touched, and again it has started showing the correction. So 5000 is the best level, so watch it. So tomorrow if any sort of correction, again if you see, and if it goes below 5000, whether it may be 4800 or 4900, add it. Okay, just add on dips and keep accumulating this particular stock whenever you find it. So don't keep anything as a major, okay, into your portfolio. Just you need to diversify. So since it's related to e-commerce, so which is very good sector for the future as well, so you need to accumulate at least a major quantity for this, at least for long term. Okay, so majorly focus on 4800. So next immediately it may break the 5500 rupees level also if the market condition is little bit of smooth. Okay, next when we see in the 1 week chart, so 1 week chart also we can see clearly that this is the price action movement. So when it respects any bottom, so that is called the support, and whenever it gives a breakout from the highest point, that is a resistance, so then with a volume, so then we can confirm that the stock will continue its journey. So here also the same thing happens. So whenever it has given the breakout from the resistance level, so that we have discussed, so you can see how the rally was seen in the stock. Okay, so clearly money flow index also you can see it is little bit of, as we discussed, it's near 52 level. For 1 week chart it is near 82, so slightly overbought region. So never it goes, okay, completely into oversold region, so it stays in the mid range again, from where we will see the reversal. So completely oversold region cannot be seen in the stock, so it may go to the mid range, so that should be noted. So especially quality stocks, they never go to oversold region because accumulation happens at each and every stage, so complete selling will not be seen. Okay, so these are the major we can see the supports. Okay, so watch for 5000 as well as 4800 for investment or any sort of averaging also you can do. Okay, so this is all about India Mart. So in next video we'll discuss about another stock. So until then, take care, bye bye.